Alright guys, we're back with another video on the Pokemon Gambling channel. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 of Obsidian Flame and 15 of the Scarlet and Violet base sets. So, I'm going to try to get through this pretty fast. I'm not going to try to... You know, I'll give you guys the code cards. Not the greatest set. Most of this stuff was bought on sale, or I bought it way in advance. So, we'll see what happens. A lot of it's just garbage. A lot of it. We got one hit. $1. Probably in the hole. I think these came from Build and Battle stadium sets. So if one has 2 Build and Battles, which was I can't tell you, dude. I'm bad with math right now. This is probably 100 and something. I'll just say let's go 100. So realistically, we're not gonna hit anything. I mean, look at that. We already got 2 hits. Two hits and they're the same card. Man, I cannot get this camera to freaking focus, man. Get it out. Code card. Alright, it's decent, but it's so off-centered. Top to bottom. Yeah, I can't get this thing to focus. I don't know what the heck's going on. So just sit back, listen to the music, and let's enjoy the pack opening, because I don't got too much to say today. Just opening some packs. Oh. God, I can already tell from the... I think there's a nick. Wait. Right there. For sale. Way below. Code. Alright, here's my spiel. I hate when you've been collecting for a long time, it gets to the point where you just look for perfection. And I'm at that point that collector first, like the game second. You know, these cards, these ones over here, going for sale. They're not worth it. Not worth my time. They're just not perfect. And that's the crappy thing about collecting, is once you start collecting seriously, You start picking up on the smallest imperfections, and it's just all downhill from there, dude. You just don't care. Watch, this one's gonna have something. I can already tell right here. Right here on the top. You see that little thing? I could tell from right here where I was holding it and how the light was hitting it. Other than that, the card looks pretty good. Let me see. I think there's something wrong. Right there too. Right there. For sale. Yep. Oops, hit the camera. The realities of collecting. It's all about perfection. I'm doing a good pace right now. Alright guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. We got garbage. Everything's going for sale. Alright, till next time. Peace.